Hello friends, welcome back to Code Tonight. So in today's video we will be looking how you can integrate Telerik in your Blazor application. So first of all, this is gonna be a bit longer video because setting up the Telerik account takes little time, and only then you can add that into your project. So starting from the first step, so this is the Blazor application that I have, and now whatever you will try is go to manage NuGet packages, and then the package that we have for Telerik for Blazor is called Telerik UI for Blazor. But when you will try that, you will not find that because it is not a part of the NuGet packages, and we have to do some additional steps for getting it here. So the first step that you have to do is you have to click on your settings icon here, and you have to click on add. It will add a new package source, and in here you have to do Telerik. Then you have to basically add the Telerik NuGet link. You can easily get this from Google, or I will even add in the video description. Once you do this, now you will be able to, you should be able to access NuGet packages, but things are little different. So after you done adding, you will notice you are still not able to find the package. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to go and set up a Telerik account. So you have to basically go on Google and do Telerik sign up, and you have to look for this form, sign up. Oh, not this one actually, sorry. Basically they have different things for different type of services. Okay, so on this Telerik download you can see Telerik UI for Blazor. You can click on download now. It will take you to this screen. So basically here you cannot use a Gmail account or any normal generic email accounts. You have to use a company email. I already have the account here. Oh, so let's say for example, if your company is, this is not a company I think, but just for showing you. So once you will do that, you will be able to see the things here like company details and all. Once you will fill all these, then you will be able to create account, but basically I have created the account already, so um, I will log in into that. So first thing is, as I said, is basically creating the account. By the way, once you will add your company email, they will be sending a confirmation link. You have to click on the confirmation link, and that's it. Okay, so now since we logged in, now you can see they are giving us the option for downloading UI for Blazor. Now here it has different type of packages, and it will also download it automatically. Once you will download this, it will show you. I can open again so you can actually see what's happening. So if we click on this exe file, it will ask for your permissions. Okay, just 1 second, it is gonna take little time to open the screen. So this is the installer that it will be having, and here you will be finding different things. So we are trying to use the Blazor version, and we do have other options also, whatever we want, but our tutorial is about Blazor, so you will have to select this and then click on next, and it will be basically For example, you can see here it is saying Visual Studio integration, UI for Blazor and Telerik reporting. Let's just remove Telerik reporting as this is only less size, so we will install that only. So after that it should have the option for Telerik UI for Blazor in your NuGet packages. We're gonna accept that, click on next. Okay, so it is asking for login. So here it is gonna open the same screen where we have to log in. Again, I will just add my email. So this is everything we are doing, so we are able to actually get the NuGet package in the okay. So bicycles, okay, go back to trial installer. It will ask for permissions once more, and basically it should process here, but it's gonna open a different instance of this, so let's wait. Okay, so login successful, then we should be able to install. Okay, so now you are seeing that it is trying to download. It can take some time, so yeah, in the meantime we can discuss on. So basically setting up Telerik for the first time is bit long process, but once you are able to go through this and you have the rights to use the trial version, then it will be easier. However, this is only a trial version and it is only gonna be valid for 30 days. You can purchase your own license if you want it permanent or something, but just for our tutorial we are just looking at the trial version. Okay, and I will try to add all the steps and then the URLs that I am using in the video description, so you can have a look at that. So let's stop the video for few minutes until it completes. So this is still going on, it's gonna take little more time. So basically it is trying to install the extension here, so I think we should be closing the Visual Studio, because when it's trying to install the extensions, Visual Studios must be closed. Even if it is open, it is gonna be asking for reopening the Visual Studio, so it is better to keep them closed. So our process got completed, and you see we have checkboxes here for that it is done. So let's try to see if we get the NuGet package now. Hopefully we will get the NuGet package, because that is the whole process that we have to follow. So now we will go to manage NuGet packages again. And then we are gonna search again for, oh, first we will select the Telerik from here. Then we will type Telerik UI for Blazor. Now this username password should be the same thing. So you can see now we got the license. So the username password, those were the same things that we created account for in the Telerik UI. So now you can simply install that, and then you are gonna be able to simply use the controls for Blazor. So this is how you can set up Telerik account, guys, and this is how you can basically integrate Telerik tools in your Blazor application, and this is how you can attach the NuGet packages from Telerik. If you get any kind of confusion, then you can comment on the video. If you need any other video regarding Telerik, then you can always comment and we will get you a video about that. So thank you guys, and let us know whatever happens.